A very good morning to all. Myself Ankush Sharma, working as an assistant professor in the Department of Electrical Engineering in RPIT Technical and Medical Campus Karnal. So today we will discuss here how to solve numerical problem using Maxwell's mesh current method or loop method. So here this is the problem or numerical. A circuit as shown. There are two EMF sources, 140 volt and 90 volt, and three resistances of 20 ohm, 5 ohm and 6 ohm, and these are the naming of terminals A, B, C, D, E, F. So here we will calculate unknown quantities using mesh current method. So in first step we will consider here number of meshes. So here there are two meshes A, B, E, F, A and B, C, D, E, B, and in these two meshes we will mark the direction of current in clockwise direction. So we can see here we will mark the direction of current in clockwise direction, and this arrowhead showing here the direction of current. So next step we will apply the Kirchhoff's voltage law in each mesh. So here firstly we will consider A, B, E, F, A mesh. So from A to B, if we are tracing from A to B, we will see here the direction of current is also in the same direction. If we tracing from A to B and the direction of current is also in the same direction, then we will take here the negative sign. So minus value of resistance into my current. So here the value of resistance is 20 ohm and current is I1, so minus 20 into my I1. Now from B to E, so B to E, at this branch, on this branch both the currents are flowing. We can see here I1 current is flowing from B to E in downward direction, and the I2 current is flowing E to B in upward direction. So from branch BE, from B to E, both the currents are flowing in opposite direction. So current if flowing in same direction, then we will add up both the currents, and if the current is in opposite direction, then we will subtract the currents. So here current is flowing from B to E, so direction of current is in the same direction, so we will take minus. So we are considering this mesh, so we will subtract this I2 current from I1, so minus I1 minus I2. Now from E to F there is no element. Now F to A, lower potential to higher potential, then we will take positive sign 140. So we will solve this equation. We will get minus 26 I1 plus 6 I2 is equal to minus 140. Now in next mesh we will consider next mesh in B, C, D, E, B, and we will apply the Kirchhoff's voltage law. So same here, if we are tracing from B to C, then direction of current is in the same direction, B to C. So we will take minus and I2 current is flowing on this branch, so minus 5 I2. Now from C to D, the EMF source is connected here, so higher potential to lower, so we will take minus sign negative minus 90. Now from D to E there is no element. Now E to B, current is in the same direction, so we will take minus 6, and we are consider here this mesh, so I2 minus I1 is equal to 0. Now at last we will find the equation 6 I1 minus 11 I2 is equal to minus 90. Now in next step we will solve the equations, and lastly we will find the unknown quantities using these equations. So here we will cancel out one current here, so we will get I1 current is equal to 1000 divided by 250. So here we will get the value of current I1 is equal to 4 ampere. Now for getting the value of I2, we will put the value of I1 in equation number 6. So here the equation number 6, or in any equation we can put the value. So 6 I1 minus 11 I2 is equal to 90. So we will put the value of I1 here, and at last we will get the value of I2 is equal to minus 6 ampere. Now this value is in this value is positive, but this value is negative. So what is the meaning of negative here? It means the actual direction of flow of current, flow of current is opposite to the assumed direction of current. So this I2 current is in assumed direction is in a clockwise direction, but in actual the current is flowing from E, D, C, B, E in this direction, in anti-clockwise direction. So this is the meaning of this negative sign here. So at last we have already found the values of I1 and I2. So these are the answers of this question, I1 and I2. Now thank you so much.